Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got this brand new Nautique G25 Super Air Coastal Edition that just came in. As you can see, we've also got a great selection of other boats to take a look at. So if you have any other questions, I'll drop my phone number at the end of the video. Shoot me a text, give me a call, I'm happy to help. So let's take a walk through this one here. You can see the redesigned hull for the Paragon with larger seats on the back walking through. Now this is not the Paragon, but all the G series now share the same hull. We've got our flip out bench seat here for additional seating, rearward facing. Backrest that flips up or moves flat for a full sun pad. Lots of cup holders, JL audio speakers. Great color combo on this one as well. This is actually a custom order boat for a customer. We've got full touchscreen integration so that you can adapt the wake to your needs, whether you're surfing or wakeboarding with just a touch of a button. You can also control everything on the screen with your dial right there. Moving through the front, we've got the bow filler cushion. Look how much wider the bow is this year. We've got tons of seating. I mean, you can fit probably 4 or 5 adults up here comfortably. If you guys have any other questions on this boat or any of the other boats that you see behind me here, give me a call, 303-875-3988. Thanks.